G'day guys and welcome back, and as you'll see we've got another little project going on here. This is a Homelite XL-12 I believe. Yep, XL-12 there, the world's most famous lightweight chainsaw, according to Homelite apparently. I'm told this thing fires but won't run. It is in very good nick, so I do pretty much believe that. I'm sure it fires on a prime, but as you'll see there, I don't know what the heck has happened to these fuel lines, but they've turned into like a pasty goo, like gum thing. I don't even know, never really seen that before. But we're going to dig into this thing. I'm going to check that it does actually fire, replace these fuel lines, and see if we can get it to pull fuel and hopefully run all right. Get it oiling, all that kind of thing, and see if we can take a cut with it, clean it up nicely, and like usual, put it up for sale. So here's our carby in here. Those fuel lines are the same in there, so I'm definitely gonna have to replace them. But yeah, we'll see what happens. The new fuel line is in our little XL-12, as you can see there. So it's time to drain the old fuel out of this, put some fresh fuel in, see if it fires up and give it a tune. We'll put some oil in it too, so that bar isn't running dead dry, and hopefully we'll take it for a little cut and clean it up, and that'll be that done. This is a sweet little saw. It's been well taken care of, so hopefully all goes well. Alright, this is such a well preserved little saw. Everything is in such good shape on this. It got basically no blemishes across the entire saw. It runs awesome and it cuts just as well. Don't worry about when it bogged down and died at the end of that last cut. That's not a carby thing, it's not anything like that. It is because I ran it out of fuel. But yeah, this thing runs awesome. I do have to glue on that little bit there because it's cracked off at some point. I don't know how, but it has. But otherwise this saw is absolutely mint. Like, look at the beautiful handle on that. This chain is brand new. The bar is pretty much new as well. Everything on this is so well preserved. So It's up on the stand, ready to get or up on the log I should say, ready to get photos taken and ready to go up for sale or swaps or whatever comes of it. But we'll see what happens, and hopefully I can get some more stuff on the way. So as always, there is heaps more to come that you guys haven't seen yet. I just got this partner S65 in just earlier. That's a cool saw. There's always the bikes, the trike out the back, all sorts. But yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.